welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Please subscribe before you leave. And to the family members, the members of the house, my friends, my lovers, thank you for coming back. I love you guys so much. So today's video, of course, is a smoky eye. And guys, it's been a while since I did a smoky eye on this channel, and I just feel like my inner spirit tells me that I have improved or I have changed my way of doing a smoky eye. I have not done it, like, it's not like I rehearsed before, but my inner spirit is just telling me, when your inner spirit is telling you something strong, that's the kind of feeling that I have. And I want to do some kind of mixture here, like it's a remix. So I want to do a brown and a black smoky eye, a brown smoky eye with a touch of blackness in it. So let's just see. That's what's going on in my head. Let me see if I can create it now in person. So I'm gonna go ahead and first prime my eyes with this concealer from LA Girl. Oh my god, I can't believe that the intro took 2 minutes. So you guys know, I don't know, I can't do a look without using my Juvia's Place palette. Like, it's just a culture. This is the first color I'm going in with, and this is gonna serve as a transition color. I'm just gonna use a very big fluffy brush because I'm going in with that color all over my crease and taking it into my brow bone. Like, it's gonna serve as a transition color for today. Wow, that yellow is popping. Okay, the next color I'm going in with is this orange here. I know some people will be asking, like, in their minds, what's she doing here? What the hell is going on? But let's just see. Me self, I don't know what I'm doing here. Auntie here does not know what she's doing, but we are hoping for a successful end. Let's keep blending. The good thing is we can always blend. When you blend well, it's gonna be a success. Notice that I always use the same brush. Like, I can use the same brush to apply 3 different colors on my eyes, and I'm so unbothered. Yeah, I'm really thinking of using the same brush again now, but let me just respect myself. Let me go in with this fluffy brush from ABH. So I'm going now into my Makeup Geek palette, and I'm using this dark brown shade here, and it's called Americano. And I'm gonna start with that color into my crease. Oh my god, what did I just do? Did I just make a wrong move right now? Okay, I think I went a little bit too much with the color, a little bit too much into my crease, but we are gonna fix it. Trust me, guys. Trust the process. So what I'm trying to do is I want to make this smoky eye pretty wearable both day and night, something you can wear during the day. So if you take note, as I go lower into my lids, I use more of the brown color, just because I have hooded eyelids, and once you are going down, once I raise my eyes up, oh my god, the lighting is terrible. Once I raise my eyes up, it's not gonna be like boom, if that makes sense. So normally I always advise that when you want to go in with a black color, you need a base. But honestly, guys, I don't have a base. I can't even lie, I don't have a base. So we are going to take a risk, and we are going to try something new and go in with a super matte black eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, and it's called Corrupt. This one right here. Please don't look at the palette, it's so dirty. So I'm gonna use a flat brush. I hope I can pick up enough of the product as I can, and I'll just apply it on the remaining part of my lids, and then we start the blendation. Guys, the lighting is messing me up, and I'm so angry. Voila! So I'm gonna start blending again. I know I look super crazy right now, but I'll be dipping my brush into the black shade, and I start blending any harsh lines. You guys know the secret to a smoky eye is blendation. Okay guys, so I still look a little bit crazy. We still need some kind of blending. and I don't know which brush to go in with. Maybe the same brush that I used from the beginning. Okay, so I just decided to go in with a clean brush. I set my brow bone and blend everything around this area. Because I'm extra, I want some kind of glitter. I'm gonna go into, first of all, with my brush, I'll go into this little palette by Smashbox, and I'll use this black dark color right here, which has some glitter inside. Ooh, sweet. And I'm just applying that all over my lids, just to make it intense. And we try to blend again just in case. No, we are not almost done with the eyes. I'm gonna go in now with this shade right here, still from the Smashbox palette. Is it? No, this one right here. I don't know the name of this shade. I don't know the name of the color, but I'm gonna use this color now to highlight my inner tear ducts. Yes, color come through. And I feel like I need more light in the inner tear duct, so I'm just gonna add something else. Maybe this one. You guys can't even see. For my lashes today, I'm gonna be using these lashes right here. They're called Lashes Lashed by Sandy. Guys, I have so much lashes in this house, like, thanks to my girl, Clarice Lifestyle. Thanks to my girl. She's a Cameroonian beauty blogger. She was precious enough to send me so many things, like a gift, and there were so many lashes, like so many lashes inside the package, and I'm so grateful. She's a Cameroonian beauty blogger, and you guys should check her out on Instagram and follow her blog. I'm gonna leave her name up somewhere, so you guys should check her out. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to get tacky, I'm gonna tighten my waterline up and down. Guys, I don't know how to tighten my waterline, seriously. So these lashes are fly. I'm gonna do the rest of my face as usual, and if you guys want to see my foundation highlight and contour routine, just I'll leave a video down below, a link to a video down below that I uploaded yesterday. I uploaded on Monday, so you guys can see my full routine, but this is just for the eyes, and then I'll be back with the rest of my face. Done. So for my under eyes, I'm just gonna go into the Smashbox palette, and I'll use this dark purple shade here. And we need some warmth, we need some color, so this here is gonna give us just that. So this is the end of the video, guys. This is what was in my head actually. I don't know if it turned out to be just a regular smoky eye. I don't know why I was dreaming. I don't know what's going on in my head. Maybe I'm just crazy like that. But yes, guys, tell me what you think about this look. Is it wearable for you? Is it daytime wearable? Is it something you can rock by day or only at night? For me, I love heavy makeup. I used to not love it, but the more you do makeup, the more you start getting into it. It's like this. It's like a kite. So it wheels you inside until you fall in love with heavy makeup, and you feel like you can wear heavy makeup by day by night, by noon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching right up to the end. And like I said before, if you want to see my highlight and contour routine, I'm gonna leave a link below to the video that I just uploaded on Monday. I'm sure this video is gonna go up on Wednesday, hopefully. Yes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, let's interact, let's talk, let's play, let's laugh. You guys know that I love it when you come and you comment. Let's like this video, let's take the likes up, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and continue to support me. Subscribe to my channel if you are not. See you in my next video. But before that, stay pretty, stay slaying, and always smile. Bye guys.